Welcome guys, this is K Harish and today we are going to see how to charge our laptop using a mini solar power system. In this video, we are going to take a basic look at what all components are required and what are the component specifications and how to consider them, and a basic idea and a look at how a solar power system works. Now, first of all, we are going to take a look at our laptop specifications. My laptop model is Lenovo IdeaPad 330 with a RAM of 8 GB, and this is my laptop processor with a battery backup up to 6 hours. For my laptop, we have to give 20 volts, 3.25 amperes and 65 watts is required input, and the battery cell is a 2 cell type of battery with a lithium ion battery, and the backup is of 6 hours. Now this is a basic look at how a solar power system runs. First the solar irradiance will fall on the module, and then we use a charge controller, then we use a battery, and then we use an inverter. We are going to see how all these work, and what are these specifications. Now we are going to take a look at it. Now, first of all, the light falls on the solar panel and the light energy is converted into the electrical energy. Then we use a charge controller. Charge controller limits the rate at which the electric current is added or drawn from the electric batteries, and then we use batteries to store the energy. And then if you want an AC output, then we use the inverter, because the solar panel gives us the DC electricity, and then by using the inverter we convert the DC to AC, and then we use the output as an AC. If we don't want an AC output and we want a direct DC output, then we use a DC to DC step down or step up converters. Now we are going to see how to decide the component specifications. Now the voltage required for laptop is of 20 volts, as we have seen before. Now to decide the charge controller, like for 65 watts and 12 volts, we require it gives 5.41 amperes. Therefore a charge controller of maximum 6 amps of one quantity is required. Here we are dividing the power by voltage to get the amps, what specifications we have to purchase our charge controller. And then coming to the solar panel, we are taking a 40 watt solar panel with this dimensions, and it gives 0.1968 kilowatt amperes per day. We are going to calculate this by, we are first gonna see the radiation in our area, and this is the radiation in my area, and then we are going to multiply by it with the power, and then we are going to divide by 1000 because it is given in kilowatt. And the energy required for charge controller is, we need 65 watts, and we are getting this, for 65 watts and for 3 hours we required 0.195 kilowatts per day. Therefore one solar panel is required. This one solar panel is required because this 0.1968 kilowatt amperes per day is going to be divided by 0.195. And now coming to the total amp hours, the total amp hours is 16.25 amp hours. We are going to calculate this by using this, because we have already calculated that the charge controller requires 0.195 kilowatt hours per day, and then we are going to multiply it by 1000, and then we are going to divide it by the 12 volts to get the amp hours, and therefore we got 16.25 amp hours. To store the 16.25 amp hours, we are gonna require a 18 amp hour battery. We require one quantity, because if we divide 16.25 divided by 18, we get 0.90. Therefore 118 amp hour battery is enough. And a DC to DC step up voltage converter from 12 volts to 20 volts is required, because all these calculations are done for 12 volts. And now we are going to step up from 12 volts to 20 volts and then give it to the laptop. Now coming to the budget, a luminous solar charge controller is of 526 rupees and a battery of 12 volts and 18 amperes is of 1900, and a solar panel of 40 watts. We require only one 40 watt solar panel, it costs around 1900, and a one DC to DC step up boost converter is required, which is around 260. And the total cost is around, by adding all this, we get around 4586 rupees. By this budget we can design a mini solar power system to charge our laptop by using the solar power. Thank you.